Now, before we get started on the video today, I have some things to say. One is that what you're going to see is crap. It's just terrible work. I've built 3 floors in total. First one was crap, second one was a bit better, still crap, and the third one is actually a very decent floor system. Now, I could just show you number 3, but I think I owe you the truth and I'm just gonna show you everything. My crap floor, my little bit less crap floor, and then the actual proper floor. Because designing a floor system is not as easy as you would think, and most of the time your first attempt is going to be a failure. In my case, it took me 3 attempts, but that's my own fault because I decided to use scrap wood at first. So, today, crap floor. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But I'm gonna show you anyway.
Now, let's start the first part of the floor.
Floor is in. I'm actually very happy with it. Nope. Okay, it doesn't look like the Mona Lisa, but it works.